Have you ever thought about how breast massage could transform your sense of well-being and sexual satisfaction? Imagine unlocking a deeper connection with your body, enhancing sensitivity, and exploring new dimensions of pleasure. If this intrigues you, stick around until the end of this video to discover the art of breast massage and why it's a crucial part of self-care for every woman. I'm Nara Ayomi, and I'm here to guide you towards the best sex of your life through informed and empowering practices. Breast massage isn't just about physical health, it's about cultivating a profound connection with your body. No matter your size, shape, or medical history, regular touch and massage can keep your breasts healthy, sensitive, and vibrant. Breasts are not only a focal point of female erotic anatomy, but also a gateway to greater pleasure and more intense orgasms. In Tantra tradition, the chest area is the primary energetic center for women, deeply connected to the heart and emotional well-being. Women derive a lot of their identity and energy from their heart connections, making breast care essential for activating sexual energy. Unlike men, whose arousal often centers around their genitalia, women need to activate their chest area to enhance their sexual experiences. Here's how to make the most of your breast massage. Begin by placing your hands on your breasts. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and simply feel. Notice the sensations and your emotional responses. Gently vibrate your hands over your breasts. Alternate between vibrating and pausing to awaken sensitivity. Use a light touch to stroke your breasts. This delicate sensation can heighten sensitivity and pleasure. Cup your breasts from underneath, lift them, and release. Pay attention to any pleasure or discomfort. Use your fingers to make circles on your chest muscles, applying medium to firm pressure. Rotate the direction to vary the sensation. Place your hands on your breasts and gently move them around. This method allows you to fully experience the sensations in each breast. Gently pinch and roll your nipples between your fingers. Experiment with different pressures and movements to find what feels best. After your massage, hold your breasts or place your hands over your heart. Take a moment to breathe and connect with the sensations. You may choose to use a quality lubricant or option for dry hands, adjusting the pressure as needed. Every woman's breasts are unique, so listen to your body and explore what feels best for you. Remember, embracing and loving your breasts is key to unlocking their full pleasure potential. Don't let negative self-perceptions hold you back. When you approach breast massage with joy and appreciation, you'll find your sensitivity and erotic bliss increase. I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up to help my channel grow and reach more women around the world. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful, magical day. See you next time.